What is copyright? Copyright is a type of intellectual property that gives its owner the exclusive right to make copies of a creative work, usually for a limited time. What is copyright infringement? Copyright infringement is the use of works protected by copyright law without permission for a usage where such permission is required, thereby infringing certain exclusive rights granted to the copyright holder. Which types of work are subject to copyright? Many types of works are eligible for copyright protection. For example, audiovisual works, such as TV shows, movies, and online videos. Sound recordings and musical compositions. Written works, such as lectures, articles, books, and musical compositions. Visual works, such as paintings, posters, and advertisements. Video games and computer software. Dramatic works, such as plays and musicals. When is my work protected? Your work is under copyright protection the moment it is created and fixed in a tangible form that it is perceptible either directly or with the aid of a machine or device. Do I have to register my work to be protected? No. In general, registration is voluntary. Copyright exists from the moment the work is created. You will have to register to Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines, IPOPHL, however, if you wish to bring a lawsuit for infringement. Why should I register my work if copyright protection is automatic? Registration is recommended for a number of reasons. Many choose to register their works because they wish to have the facts of their copyright on the public record and have a certificate of registration. Registered works may be eligible for statutory damages and attorney's fees in successful litigation. Finally, if registration occurs within 5 years of publication, it is considered prima facie evidence in a court of law. Is it possible to use a copyright-protected work without infringing? Yes, in some circumstances, it is possible to use a copyright-protected work without infringing the owner's copyright. It is important to note that your content can be removed in response to a claim of copyright infringement, even if you have given credit to the copyright owner. Refrain from monetizing the infringing content. Charged for a copy of the content in question. Notice similar content that appear elsewhere on the internet. Purchased the content including a hard or digital copy. Recorded the content yourself from TV, a movie theater, or the radio. Copied the content yourself from a textbook, a movie poster or photograph. Stated that no copyright infringement is intended. Can Google determine copyright ownership? No. Google isn't able to mediate rights ownership disputes. When Google receives a complete and valid takedown notice, it will remove the content as the law requires. When Google receives a valid counter notification, it will be forwarded to the person who requested the removal. If there is still a dispute, it's up to the parties involved to resolve the issue in court. What is the difference between copyright and trademark? What about patents? Copyright is just one form of intellectual property. It is not the same as trademark, which protects brand names, mottos, logos, and other source identifiers from being used by others for certain purposes. It is also different from patent law, which protects inventions. What is the difference between copyright and privacy? Just because you appear in a video, image or audio recording does not mean you own the copyright to it. For example, if your friend took a picture of you, she would own the copyright to the image that she took. If your friend, or someone else, uploaded a video, image or recording of you without your permission, and you feel it violates your privacy or safety, you may wish to file a privacy complaint. Copyright infringement notification requirements. The easiest way to file a complaint is to use Legal Troubleshooter. Copyright notifications must include the following elements. Without this information, we will be unable to take action on your request. 1. Your contact information. 2. A description of your work that you believe has been infringed. 3. Each allegedly infringing URL. 4. You must agree to and affirm both of the following statements. I have a good faith belief that use of the copyrighted materials described above as allegedly infringing is not authorized by the copyright owner, its agent, or the law, and the information in this notification is accurate, and I swear, under penalty of perjury, that I am the copyright owner or am authorized to act on behalf of the owner of an exclusive right that is allegedly infringed. Lastly, affix your signature.